Hi, Kickstarter. Last November, we introduced you to the Time Machine, the world's first rice cooker with dedicated yogurt, quinoa, and oatmeal functions. It cooks rice up to 45% faster than the competition, and slow cooks and steams as well. Thanks to over 1,500 backers, the project became a reality. We've been hearing great things from chefs, moms, and busy professionals. What we've enjoyed most about collaborating with the Kickstarter community is the active role that backers play in the product development process. We heard you, Kickstarter, and we're excited to introduce you to the Mini Time Machine. With most products, getting smaller means getting less functionality. For example, smaller coffee makers usually have less features than their larger counterparts. The same used to be true for rice cookers. That's why it was really important to us that the Mini have every feature of the original Time Machine and more. For starters, we've packed the Mini with all the things you loved about the Time Machine, like Fuzzy Logic 2.0. Our 500-watt heating element is 40% more powerful than our competitors' 8-cup models. It works in concert with sensors in the top and bottom that take temperature readings, and an onboard microcomputer adjusts heat for perfect results. White and brown rice. Amazingly cooked and up to 28% faster than same-sized rice cookers. With the Mini, you won't get burnt rice on the bottom. Yogurt. Before the Time Machine, making homemade yogurt was tough. We fixed that problem. Heat your milk, let it cool, then cook it to tantalizing tanginess, all in the same pot. Quinoa. Toast it first with our proprietary toasting feature. Then let the Mini cook it into perfect little pearls of super foodie goodness. Oatmeal. Tired of it bubbling out of your rice cooker? We were too. The sensor in the lid makes boilovers a thing of the past. Set it to cook with a delay timer at night, and it'll have fresh, steel-cut oats ready for you in the morning. Slow cooking. Low, medium, or high, the Mini Slow Cook feature rivals results that you'd get in your slow cooker, and takes up a lot less counter space. In addition to having all the great features that made Time Machine a hit with backers, the Mini comes standard with our popular paddle and a couple of great new accessories. The first is an airtight lid that we call Seal. It fits on the cooking pot so you can easily pop leftovers in the fridge without transferring food to another pan. The second accessory is a unique rice rinsing colander that we call, well, Rinse. It's also great for rinsing quinoa and veggies. We noticed that rice colanders are the #1 thing that people purchase along with a rice cooker when they buy online. So we thought, why shouldn't rice cookers just come with one? And now they do. The Mini and all of its accessories are tooled and almost ready for production. We need the help of the Kickstarter community to back us for the first production run. Each Mini reward will come with an exclusive Kickstarter badge built into the product as a token of our appreciation to the community. Please have a look at our rewards and our FAQ, and if you're ready to let the Mini Time Machine help you make more time to do the stuff.
Salmon's so delicate, moist, and tender, it actually melts in your mouth. And now you've got the ideal tool for making it, and the rest of your menu, while you spend time with your guests. Presenting Master Sous, a revolutionary appliance that will completely change the way you cook. Instantly upgrade your kitchen, your cooking, and your life. This unique 6-quart multi-cooker can do it all with exact precision. Sear, steam, boil, simmer, slow cook, deep fry, sauté, and yes, also sous vide. The secret to its versatility is a patent-pending variable speed stirring mechanism that attaches to the pot with a powerful magnet, keeping the food in constant motion for even cooking. The smart, intuitive dial allows for precise control of time and temperature. And there's a one-touch cooking mode for popular dishes. Just set it and go, literally. Like a real sous chef, Master Sous helps manage the most time-consuming aspects of cooking. It's like having a second set of experienced hands, another you who prepares a delicious meal while the real you is off enjoying life. Master Sous has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, so with the app, you're not tied to the kitchen. It notifies you when it's time to plate your delicious meal. Make that recipe you've always wanted to try. Venture into new cooking methods. Release your inner chef with Master Sous. With Master Sous, you've got the only kitchen tool you need to take your cooking to the next level. Upgrade your kitchen, your cooking, and your life. Let's take a look at some of the innovative features that help you make foolproof meals. Master Sous perfectly steams veggies to retain the bright color, crispness, and nutrients. Master Sous has preset temperature settings just below the smoking point of 8 common types of oil. So fried foods are perfectly cooked crispy on the outside and done on the inside. Sauté like a pro with low-speed, hands-free stirring every 30 seconds, 1 minute, or other custom preset intervals. Maintain a steady temperature for soups and sauces that need constant stirring. No need to watch the pot. The secret is this powerful magnet that holds the stirring arm in place and releases instantly when you're finished, so cleanup is fast and easy. Master Sous was created for busy yet passionate home cooks. It will quickly become your favorite kitchen tool. Thank you for helping us to bring Master Sous into your kitchen, your cooking, and your life.
Yogurt. It is one of the most nutritious treats that you can share with your friends and family. But the problem with store-bought yogurt and frozen desserts is that they come with tons of plastic waste, which takes centuries to decompose. Not to mention being chock full of chemical additives, artificial coloring, and loads of processed sugar. I wouldn't want to feed that to my family, would you? Luckily, there's Froyo, the fully automatic yogurt and ice cream maker. It turns milk into yogurt, then into frozen yogurt, completely hassle-free. All you have to do is add milk and yogurt culture. Froyo will take care of the rest to make the freshest, most natural and delicious yogurt you've ever tasted. If you like a creamier or lighter texture, you can customize exactly how you like your yogurt in the Froyo mobile app. For frozen yogurt, simply add more milk and any other ingredients for extra flavor. It's that simple. Feeling adventurous and want to try completely new flavors? You can always tap into the Froyo mobile app to explore a premium selection of toppings, sourced from the best seasonal ingredients from around the world. With the touch of a button, you can make frozen yogurt, ice cream, gelato, or even sorbet. With all these possibilities, you can make the healthiest granola Greek yogurt for mom, an adventurous maple bacon ice cream sundae for dad, and a fun chocolate gelato for the kids. So how does one machine do so much? Froyo's smart fermentation and cooling process is powered by a thermoelectric technology. That means the same system can generate heat to ferment milk into yogurt and also cool it all down to make frozen yogurt. This technology allows for a more compact design as well as a quieter machine, which is perfect for the home kitchen. We have 10 years experience in the dessert industry and have opened dessert shops all over the world. With your support, we can bring our prototype into mass production. Making your own nutritious yogurt, then turning it into a delicious frozen yogurt is easier and more fun than ever. Join us in making the freshest and healthiest desserts at home.
Took a look at the marketplace and realized that there are opportunities for us to create an elevated culinary experience. So the Smart Cooker is this magical device. It's a pressure cooker at its heart, but it's a pressure cooker for the future. We've taken all the benefits of pressure cooking, which, stripping down to its barest elements, is trapping steam at a really high temperature to create this tender result in about 70 to 80% less time than conventional methods.
terms of pressure release, we developed an automatic pressure release where at a push of a button, the pressure will be released and the steam will come out. So the user will not have to go near the button that manually releases the steam.
This is a multifunctional device that can do so much more than just cook. It can bake, can steam, it can sear. The options are almost limitless.
The process starts with, we conduct this design research for a couple months, and we understand most of the people are looking for flexibility. They want to learn more. They want to find that discover moment. Food is really complicated matter. It's not only for surviving. There's something inside every human which pushes us to create that connection with our food.
The most important property that we're trying to achieve is a positive user experience and a flawless guide to the cooking experience. People want to use an app, they want a friendly environment, they want ease of use.
So one of the coolest features about the app is our guided cooking, which enables users to browse through a wide menu of recipes.
Even if you've never been in the kitchen, pick up a Chef IQ product, pair it with the app, and you'll be able to cook whatever you want. I believe with Chef IQ, we're trying to make the process a little bit less intimidating, and that's exactly what guided cooking is. Step-by-step instructions with videos where we're holding your hands all the way through plating, more or less.
The smart cooker has some very innovative properties to it. Amongst them is built-in scale. That allows the app and the device to measure how much ingredients is actually put into the pot. So the user will take that unknown out of the equation.
And for the people who want to discover more, we have this calculator.
And the idea behind the calculator is for somebody that already knows how to cook, but they need to know what time or temperature or the cooking parameter that they should set their device to. And the other feature is what we call the Smart Bar. It's a control center where everything that is happening with your hardware, you can keep track of what's going on, how much time you have left, what's the temperature right now, pretty much monitor everything that is going on.
We are testing a lot. Like every step we complete a process, we bring it out and ask the people and get their feedback.
And then that's where we thought that it was very critical to introduce over-the-air updates, which means that we will constantly update the smart cooker in order to make it sure that it learns how to do new things.
Although you've already purchased the product, you get that benefit over the lifetime of the product to see those upgrades and take advantage of those upgrades without spending any more money.
In the time frame that we did this project, for a bigger company would certainly be a huge challenge. And for a small company to accomplish what we've done over the last 2 years is simply incredible. Our vision is to create many products that will together form an ecosystem.
It was really important to us that we didn't incorporate technology for technology's sake, and that there was merit to the value that we were bringing forward. And we're very excited to bring Chef IQ to the market and to show off to the world the years of effort that we've put into this project. And we hope that you enjoy it as much as we think you will.
I love good rice, but often when I eat rice at other people's home or even at some restaurants, I'm disappointed. To put it nicely, it's not cooked the way to get the best out of it. I discovered cooking in ceramics during my trips to Japan and China. It was then that I learned to appreciate well-cooked rice. So, inspired by the traditional Chinese and Japanese ways of cooking rice, I designed the Azume ceramic rice cooker. My name is Ben Oostrum, I'm a product designer from the Netherlands, and I love cooking. Cooking any rice, you should first rinse it thoroughly, then let it soak for a while, cook it for a short time, turn off the heat, and keep it covered. The rice will continue to steam until it's done. Ceramics hold the heat very well, so the rice won't cool down too much while letting it sit. The glaze on ceramics is very inert, so it won't give off any taste like metal often does. We added some extra benefits, like these rims in the lid. These rims make sure that any steam that condensates will drip nicely on the surface of the rice, so the top layer of the rice won't dry out. Sure, cooking rice in an electrical rice cooker works too. But then you have yet another kitchen appliance with a plug. The Azume is much more practical, sustainable, and beautiful.
Wat ik graag wil is zilvervliesrijst koken. Dat kan niet in een elektrische rijstkoker, maar wel heel goed in deze keramische rijstkoker.
用 Azume 烧米饭最好味道，粒粒皆辛苦。
So, what we promise you is delicious rice, cooked in an easy way in the Azume ceramic rice cooker. We have invested a lot of time and effort in developing the rice cooker, and now we're ready for production. And here is where you come in. Your backing will enable us to do our first production run, funding molds, production and materials. With your support, we can help people to eat delicious rice. Do it now, because we only have 30 days to accomplish our goal. Thanks for watching this video. Okay guys, let's eat.
Hey Kickstarter! For years, top restaurant chefs have been using the sous vide cooking method to make the most tender, the most delicious, the most amazing dishes you've ever eaten. My friends and I got together and we thought, why can't we do this at home? Why do all these professional chefs get to make all this delicious food and not us? What if we could create something that would be easy, affordable, and simple to use for the everyday chef? So, we rolled up our sleeves and we took our prototype from the lab into our kitchen, and now we'd like to bring it into your home. What is sous vide? Sous vide stands for under vacuum. Now I know it sounds intense, but all it is taking your food and placing it in a vacuum-sealed bag and putting it in the appropriate temperature in a water bath. The precise temperature of the water makes it so that your food will never overcook and it will give you the most consistent results you've ever had. That's it. That's sous vide. The AquaChef Clarity gives you everything you need to start sous vide cooking at home right away. There's no need to go to the store and get the bags and sealers. It comes as a complete set. And its cool design lets you see your food cooking. Simply set your temperature, put your food in a vacuum-sealed bag, and place it into the Clarity. Once it's done, give it a quick sear if you like, and enjoy the most perfect tasting steak of your life. I'm a super busy person, but I love to eat great food. And with the AquaChef Clarity, I can make my meal ahead of time and it remains perfectly cooked until I'm ready to eat. I don't have to worry anymore about overcooking my chicken or undercooking my salmon and eggs. Perfectly consistent eggs every time. You can also put in ramekins and mason jars for traditionally difficult desserts like custard, and it'll come out foolproof. The AquaChef Clarity makes sous vide cooking simple and easy. We are far along into production, but to get this into the hands of foodies around the world, we need your help, Kickstarter. Please check out our list of awesome rewards. Tell your friends, spread the word, and let's show how deliciously simple sous vide cooking can be.